got into Medipatnam. My office was in GD Metla. And then I was the first employee of my office. First direct employee of my office. So I had the privilege of setting up a government office. In 20 years I worked there, I took my retirement. Yeah, LIC people are very good in guessing age, right? How many of you know my age? Is there anybody who attended my sessions earlier?
64.
Yeah, MDRT. MDRT, that airport hotel.
Yes.
Lugi and Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna. I was a regular speaker in Ramakrishna on different topics. Okay, guess my age? 64? How many of you believe that I am above 60? Yeah, good number. Wonderful. Above 50? Me kadu kuda. He lifted his hand when I said above 60. Above 50 and take it. Above 60 is not above 50 or not. So you don't know mathematics also. 1.5 days of training, everything is gone. Okay? But it's changed like that. Okay, good. Because when you get angry, this will not work. 100 times I told you. 100 times cheppaledu. Because this brain will not work when we get angry. When you are feeling hungry, angry, hurry, worry, curry, it will not work. So my session is on life management. That means Tamasoma Jyotirgamam. Life has to be in light. Enlightened life. I am a meditation master from Himalaya. I teach meditation. Okay? I believe in life you have to step into different steps. One is physically strong. Physically? Muscles unta. Physically strong is you must be able to do the job what you wanted to do. One. Second one? Mentally strong. You must understand what somebody is talking and you must be able to answer it. Presence of mind. Mental strength is presence of mind. Third one? Emotional balance. Control ka. Emotional control ante when you wanted to smile, you don't smile. There are such people, right? That's not important. Sthitapratna. In Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, Lord Krishna says Sthitapratna. Sthitapratna means don't dukkeshu anudignamana sukheshu vigata spruha vida raga bhaya krodha sthitadir muniruchyate. Anything you understood?
No, sir.
Neither Telugu nor English.
Sanskrit.
Dukkham. You understand? Kham means space. Dukkham, bad space. Sangadam, sadness. Where is that? Where is dukkham?
In mind.
Inside you. I don't say mind because mind is confusing again. Where is your mind?
In the body.
Buddhi. Your dukkham is in buddhi? Where is it?
Inside.
Manas. Where is your manas? Show me.
Inside.
I don't have it, sir. I give it to somebody else. Your manas is with you? Where is your manas? He shows your heart. Heart is your manas?
No.
Working with brain, sir.
Eh?
Working with the brain.
Brain is buddhi.
Buddhi and mind.
No feelings in buddhi.
Everything will work with brain.
No feelings in buddhi. No feelings in buddhi. Feelings comes in heart. Where is your heart? I have a small poetry book, which is my collection of poems. I am a poet. Which one of the poetry is called Open Heart Surgery.
Open heart.
Empty poem? Open heart surgery. Me gets a heart attack. Not physical me, the poet me. And then doctor tells me I am going to open your heart. I said, don't open my heart because there are a lot of secrets inside. You understood? Why? Because we think heart is our manas. Heart is not manas. Our manas is a software. Manas and enti? Software. Can you show the software? Does it work? So manas is a software which runs here. Brain will come. From where it will come? Manas. Am I there in his manas? No. Seeing input device. Understood? The input device will take picture. I seen him somewhere. He started thinking. Thinking happens in brain. Manas? No. Manas will say to meet or not to meet. Feelings will come in manas. So you must know how to balance your feelings. Dukkham. Gham means space. Sukham. Good space. Dukkham. Bad space. Both are in your manas, which cannot be shot. As space you cannot see. Only you can feel it. When there is a wind, you know there is air. When you breathe, you know there is air. Otherwise you don't feel it. You don't see it. But you can